Hey guys, Geppi here, and I'm here in my second video to for my Bukkit coding series, and this is gonna be a little bit on event handlers. And I've already made my package, my projects, my package, and my class, and my plugin YML is just empty. So yeah. All right. I hope you enjoy this video, and this is gonna be how to make it on it. Leave and join messages. Alright, alright, so we're gonna wanna start with our package. And yeah. So com.geppi omg.main. Here we are. Okay. And then we're gonna wanna public class, so we're gonna do public class imports my bad. Public class main extends Java plugin implements listener. Alright, in the last video we didn't have listener there, and this is because when you're just doing a plain old command you do not need to have listeners, but when you're having listeners, this means that you're going to have like death messages. You're going to change basically, I guess you could say, in a short term they can change messages for different things and change to the functions for things. So basically, on our on enable, for on enable we're going to want to do public void on enable, and then then we're going to do bucket dot get server, what gets a server, get plugin manager dot register events this, and then this. Alright, that's all you have to do for that. You can just do a public void on disable. You don't need to disable, but I just like to have it. But yeah, okay. So that means we're going to want to start with our join messages. Basically, we're going to want to type in event handler. And yes, you're going to get an error at first, and you're not going to know, oh, I can't import anything. That's because you need like some enum body thing or whatever. So first thing you're gonna want to do is public void on join player join events. All right. Now you can import it, and now you can import player join event. All right. And now we're gonna want to do player equals event.getPlayer. Now as you can see here, instead of it's sender, because there isn't this, instead of doing sender, instead of doing sender, you're going to want to do event, because there technically is no sender. So basically, event is going to be the event of the player, if that makes sense. Basically, if we made it E, we would just make this E. So basically, this is like the person, I think of it. So I'm going to change it back to events, and then you're just going to want to import player. Alright, then you're going to want to do events.setJoinMessage chat color.red, as we learned in the last video. Then we can do what color? We should do like on join, we can do that, and then plus event.getPlayer.getName. Now if the player has like a custom name, you could do get.getDisplayName. But it wouldn't make a difference if it wasn't custom, so .getName is what I like to do. Okay, and then that's the join message. Then for a leave message, we can just do event handler public void on quit player quit events player equals event.getPlayer. Then event.setJoin set quit message chat color.red plus event.getPlayer.getName. Oh, so you want to put the plus there. Now I noticed that I accidentally forgot to do this, but instead of doing event.getPlayer, we could actually just do player.getName, and then just do, instead of this, player.getName. Alright, and basically that's how it's gonna really work. It's a very simple tutorial, and yeah, so basically we're gonna just make that green, check color that green, and then we're gonna want to make it actually, yeah, that's it. For our plugin YML here, I'll just drag it over. We're gonna want to do what we did last video basically, so name, join, and leave, author, Geppi, OMG, version 1.0, and main is com.geppi omg.main.main. Alright, and that should work. Now we're going to want to export it, so exports, jar file, and I've been making a prison server, and I named the jar Alcatraz, but just make this join and leave. Oops. Yeah, okay. And then we're going to want to do server. You're going to want to go into server, plugins, and I have this other stuff, just delete Alcatraz from there. Or I will, you guys won't have to, but I will. And then yeah. So now we're just gonna want to start up our server. So run. We're going to pull up Minecraft. Hold on, wait for it to load. Alright, and now when I join, it should set the message. So here we are, see? It says plus my name. Instead of doing the like yellow, Geppi has joined the server or whatever, now it's just gonna be plus Geppi. And I can't really show you the leave message, but if I log out, you'll notice, if you can see right here, it says minus Geppi, and normally it should say Geppi has left the server. So that means it is working. I just can't really show you the color codes of it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will be posting more frequently. It's just I haven't had the time to. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment if